Get you one, John. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that. There he is. A double.
Got it?
Yeah, he's hooked up. Oh my God.
Look at that. It's huge. Look at all the bait. Wow, look at that.
That damn tuna jumped over that line.
Here, I'm coming by, Carlos.
Jesus, thank Christ. Good. Almighty. Look at that.
We got us another awesome tuna boil.
Wow.
Here in the Gulf of Cherokee. Jay, come this way.
Look at that. Look at, oh my gosh, look at him go. Kind of makes you feel bad for the bait fish, don't it? The birds are just wearing them out from that log.
You gotta hit that log, that line.
No, he's good. Look at the bait stacked up on there.
This is ridiculous, dude. Have you ever seen anything like this?
Yeah, you didn't see my other video?
Golly, look at the keeper just right there.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about right here. Look.
We're gonna bump this log.
That's all right. Look at all this bait. Oh my God. Look at these tunas. Wow. We're right on top of this bait ball right now. Oh my God. Wow.
That is impressive.
Yeah. Yeah, net them. Get them. Just put them right in the live well. We need a bigger net. Get him, Kim.
We need a bigger boat.
Get him, Kim.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Do it! Do it!
Put him right in the live well. Put him right in the live well.
Not even